Why no? Then why?
Hold on there. You see something like that?
Why no? Then why no?
You see that?
Then why no? Why?
Right, that's what. What that?
Reaction.
Yo, viewers and subscribers. Yo, what I do? We have a song from Vybz Kartel. Well, I think we heard the song already. I think I should react to the order already because that come out a minute ago now. Boom, boom, boom. You don't know the chap already. So watch the style of them man. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up yourself. Anyways, official video, you know we like the visuals them already because you say things and I got oh no I see. You don't know the chap already. Because you see that 30 piece still and I'm not gonna lie to you, I see top quality. Enough for the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you don't want to comment, just don't fly emoji. Just get straight to the video. Run through.
You no go party if you do the gully creep or your party if you wine to the teacher.
Why no? Then why no? Why? Then why no? Why?
Okay. Man, no, bro. I say, yeah, you no go party with the gully creep. But Mr. Waki, you're the teacher about that. No. You go collect for wine to the teacher. You go over UK, go and burn the Kartel show them. Go on, but girl, what's that though?
Why no? Why? Then why?
Hold on there. You see something like that?
Why no? Then why no?
You see that?
Why? Then why no? Why?
Right, that's what. What that?
Then why no? Why? Then why no? Then why no?
Why no? Giddy up, head down, ass up. The whole they too good to pass up.
The good old dancehall, daggered music, you like it. With the routine every night too. Yeah man, I'm when I'm station them with a song you're playing in the background and the girl go and back. Go on!
She a talk about the man controlling.
Right.
The man left her cause she can't fuck. I know your body no run through matter.
Man, she a talk about the man controlling. She man left her because she can't fuck. No! Go on!
Too much man you take your whole feel brand new. Boom, boom, boom. What a girl body good, good, good. Your boyfriend a hunt you daily and nightly. Like the white girls them were lost in the woods.
So hold on there. If the body good, you think me not go hunt it daily and nightly? You're bright. But go on.
All of the man them inna the scheme want you to bring a new meaning to neighborhood. When me want you do boom, boom, boom.
The man say the man them in a scheme want to be a girl. The man say bring a new meaning to neighborhood. If you get it, you don't know chap. Run it.
Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and boom, boom, boom. What a girl.
We're trying to get them to think. We set the girls them to think, but the one when you're in a studio, that's the one about our door, out our road.
Body good, good, good. When me want you do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up.
You know, like, they might get each other, they might get each other run for their money right now. But if you choose, I go say, well, like, give some more time.
And boom, boom, boom. What a girl body good, good, good. What you not do? You no go party if you do the gully creep or you party if you wine to the teacher.
And then put the gully creep at night. I like that. I like that. But I still can't choose between the vibes them. You could keep going.
And when you wine, girl, you wine to the beat. Galangal, you're seeing them can't delete. Galangal, oh your body hot, you stop bleach. You just look brown like the bleach.
That's a toe your body just start bleach. I hope you don't say that's brown like bleaching cream. Man. I hope you don't say that. Out.
King rich man, I look you and I give you big speech. But tell you have your pride, could have never been no late. What why you do? Boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom.
You're not here to experience something like that.
You have your pride, could have never been no late.
Something like this.
Me why you do? Boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and boom, boom.
And that's just way too much. As me, I say, you're not gonna take them struggles upon myself. And I thought, left that to Jambisco. No, JWG, Jamaica Rest Game, left that to you. You know what? Prodigy. Yeah, man, you ever tried that you can angle like Prodigy. Yeah, man, I you that, man. Go on.
Boom, boom. What a girl body. Good, good, good. When me want you do? Boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and
I'ma always look.
me want you do? Boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom.
Something I got right SR though. Right to the little part. Let me tell you, I can always look. Go on!
Good, good. Giddy up, head down, ass up. The whole they too good to pass up. She a talk about the man control.
I'm not gonna lie. Wait a second, I'm gonna go check the comment section. There's a react out Ras and not pretty comments, you know. I comments them I say. I think only 1% of these people here will read it. But yeah, me not read it either. Vybz Kartel dancer, who else agrees? You know, and some Ken. But it's like Kenya the number one bumbuck that supported them for all the dancehall music. Cause them I see them every single comment. We just react to Swanee song, Kenya. We just react to another song, she from Guyana now, Kenya. No matter Kartel song, Kenya. No, sir. No, I come and say, that's a dick right Kartel, yeah, man. Go on, run through.
Pauline, the man left her cause she can't fuck. I know your body no run through. Matter how much man you take your whole feel brand new. Boom, 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 what a girl.
Stop tell life on them girl Kartel. They make them girl get bigger than feel good about themselves. I lie you tell part them about no matter how much feel brand new. Come down.
Body good, good, good. Your boyfriend a hunt you daily and nightly. Like the white girls, them were lost in the woods. All of the man, them in the scheme want you bring on.
She did not, that's dirty wine in a 2025. Well, you know, nobody date now bro from dirty wine again, so you can get away with it this time. Go on.
You meaning to neighborhood. When me want you do boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up and boom, boom, boom. Bend down and boom, boom, boom. Cock it up.
It's a good look Friday, yeah, you did it. Anyway, that's soon another video. So we're not going to talk off on the years too long. You did me. Reaction must do what? We're signing out. Peace.